Hey there, fellow developers. Today, let's dive into a topic that's revolutionizing our world: how AI is transforming the way we code in 2025. First off, let's talk about AI-powered code completion. Remember the days of manually typing every single line of code? Well, those days are long gone. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Tab9 use advanced machine learning to predict and complete your code snippets. They understand your coding style and offer suggestions in real time, making coding faster and more efficient. Next up, bug detection and fixing. AI tools like DeepCode and Snike are game changers here. They scan your codebase, identify potential vulnerabilities, and even suggest fixes. It's like having a tireless assistant who never misses a thing. Imagine how much time you save when you don't have to hunt down pesky bugs yourself. Let's not forget about automated testing. AI-driven testing tools like Testim and Applitools have taken the grunt work out of testing. They create, execute, and update test cases automatically, ensuring your code is always up to the mark. Plus, they adapt to changes in your application, reducing false positives and negatives. It's a massive productivity boost. And what about code reviews? AI tools like Codex are stepping in to assist here as well. These tools analyze your code, provide feedback, and even suggest improvements. It's like having an expert mentor available 24/7, helping you become a better developer. But wait, there's more. AI is also transforming how we manage our projects. Tools like Jira and Trello now come with AI-powered features that prioritize tasks, predict project timelines, and even suggest the best team members for specific tasks. It's project management on steroids. Now, I know you might be thinking, is AI going to take my job? The answer is no. AI is here to augment our skills, not replace us. By handling repetitive and mundane tasks, AI frees us up to focus on innovation and creative problem solving. In other words, AI is making us better developers. So there you have it. The AI revolution is here, and it's transforming the developer's world in incredible ways. Embrace these tools, and you'll find yourself coding smarter, faster, and better than ever before. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep coding.